Are you already an eXp agent, but you're not getting the support you expected from your sponsor, or you're struggling to attract a revenue share downline? Maybe because your upline offers, not much help? The good news, you can fix all of that. And if you're not an eXp agent yet, we've got another video that explains all of this from your point of view. I'll link it at the end of this one. Okay, back to eXp agents. eXp's new co-sponsor program, which rolled out May 1st, 2025, is a legit game changer. So if you heard the buzz and thought, too late for me, I'm already in. Nope, not even close. This update opens the door to more revenue share, stronger production support, and guess what? Our team has a huge offer. Yeah, it's pretty creative. That will really make you a satisfied eXp agent. Stick around, you'll want to hear this. So let's get to it. What is eXp sponsorship? With the launch of the eXp co-sponsor program, new agents joining eXp can now name two sponsors. A primary sponsor, which is named during onboarding, just like always. The new agent gets access to this sponsor's full upline and the value that the upline brings. Co-sponsor, chosen within 5 days after onboarding. This is an individual agent. Their upline is not included. It's just an individual agent's value that the new agent gets. Also, it's optional. Agents don't have to pick one, but it allows the new agent to add a local one-on-one support or friend or whatever they want. The message from eXp is loud and clear. More agent support equals more agent success. Smart agents will choose as their primary sponsor a powerhouse team with a strong upline and systems and a free value stack. And for a co-sponsor, they'll choose a local agent. But like I said, they can choose a friend if they want. Who can be a co-sponsor? Any eXp Realty agent can be named as a primary or co-sponsor. There is one rule or exception. You and your co-sponsor cannot be in the same 7 levels of a revenue sharing trade. That's it. By the way, I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and eXp certified mentor. Join eXp Realty sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, where we do provide more free value than anyone else, probably in the entire real estate business. Our record-breaking eXp sponsor team is growing every week. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. Why co-sponsorship is a total game changer. Tap into successful teams' value. Here's the real deal. This new program gives you the chance to align with value-packed sponsor teams without spending years building, paying for, and providing all the tech, tools, and value yourself. It really takes so long. Now you can promote the value of a top-tiered sponsor team and benefit. Partner up, co-sponsor smart, and boom, you're suddenly offering massive value that opens doors you couldn't access before. More successful downlines. With a value-packed primary sponsor and you as the co-sponsor, agents get more support from day one. They onboard faster, produce more, and stick around longer. This program will improve outcomes for your agents, meaning you get more downline revenue share for longer. A win for the eXp culture. Okay, we know that eXp is known for collaboration, but some agents, maybe you, felt boxed out of the exclusive value packages some sponsor teams created to recruit. You probably didn't know about them until you were at eXp. Well, not anymore. Now, any agent can align with a powerhouse sponsor team and benefit. That is massive. Fixing the old system. In the past, if an agent joined eXp without naming a sponsor, the company auto-assigned a local agent. They got free revenue share with zero effort. Well, that is over. Under the new co-sponsor program, those agents are now labeled co-sponsors, not sponsors or primary sponsors. And if they are not bringing value, they can be replaced. That's right. Why the change? Probably because random local sponsors didn't really help agents succeed. Probably because most lack systems, and let's be real, no one wants to mentor their competition. The message is clear. If you're going to be someone's co-sponsor, you gotta bring something to the table. Probably just a little communication would be enough. Sponsor types and details. Let's get into the details. And if you don't totally understand the basic concepts of eXp revenue sharing, hit pause and check out our video, eXp Realty Revenue Share 2.0, New and Improved, More Agents Earning More Money. Back to the sponsor types and the details. Here's the part that surprises most agents. There's little financial difference between being a primary sponsor, a co-sponsor, or the regular old sponsor without a co-sponsor at eXp. The system is designed so you can win no matter what your title is. Let's break it down. If you're named as a sponsor, you know, the standard model, no co-sponsor, you get FLQA credit to unlock revenue share tiers 4 through 7, a $400 stock award when the agent closes their first deal, fast track bonus up to $4,000 in their first year, and access to all 7 tiers of revenue share income. If you're named as a primary sponsor in the agent's application to join, you get FLQA credit to unlock tiers 4 through 7. That's the same. A $400 stock bonus on their first closing. That's the same. Agent lands on your tier 2. Oh, that's different. But you earn from tiers 2 through 7. So that means that agent is not on your tier 1, meaning you're not going to get that fast start bonus. Now, if you are named as co-sponsor within 5 days of the agent joining, you get a fast start bonus up to $4,000 during the agent's first year. That's the same thing you would get if you were their sponsor in the old system. You also get access to all 7 tiers of revenue share income. Again, that's the same. The only difference here is you don't get the stock award, the $400, or FLQA credit. So are you wondering what the agents get from this new program? Well, the new agent gets full upline access and support from their primary sponsor. That's why they want a team there. They get your individual support as co-sponsor, no access to your upline, and the ability to change co-sponsors if you ghost them or disappear. That seems fair, right? And last, they get a better shot at success, which helps them, which helps you too. The bottom line, whether you're the primary sponsor, the co-sponsor, or just a regular sponsor, everyone wins. How is eXp's co-sponsor program different from other brokerages? And while we're at all these explanations, you should know that some other brokerages allow 2 sponsors, but here's why eXp's setup is so much better. Full revenue share, no splitting. That's right, at eXp, both the primary sponsor and the co-sponsor earn 100% of their revenue share. No dividing it up, no trickle-down scraps. Just a full payout through tier 7. At other brokerages, revenue share is often split in half on each level, leaving agent cuts from lower tiers with just little tiny leftovers. Not fun, not scalable, not interesting. Another difference, exclusive sponsor value, unlike other companies, where you're stuck pitching bland corporate perks. That's right, all you get to offer is what every other agent has to offer. eXp is the only brokerage that lets sponsor teams create and promote exclusive value and packages. And now, as co-sponsor, you get to leverage those systems without building them yourself. Our teams offer to you. Here's the twist you probably didn't see coming. Maybe when you joined eXp, you picked a sponsor too fast, and now you're stuck wishing you joined a value-packed sponsor team instead. Or maybe you don't even have a sponsor. Until now, your only option was to leave eXp for a full year and come back under someone new to try to fix that sponsor problem. Ooh, a year? Brutal. It used to be 6 months, but they bumped it up to a year. But thanks to this co-sponsor program and a little creative strategy, there's another way. If you partner with Smart Agent Alliance, you can earn your way into full access to our exclusive systems and support. Here's how it works. Bring in 5 agents with you as their co-sponsor and Smart Agent Alliance as their primary sponsor. When you do, you'll also get access to our full value stack, so you become like a member of Smart Agent Alliance without actually being one. And if you bring in 5 more, our upline partner, the Wolfpack, will also unlock all of their value to you. Now you're basically like a member of the Wolfpack too. You'll get everything that these top sponsor teams produce, solving all agent pain points of having a community, increasing production, and increasing your revenue share income. Are there rules? Of course. We don't hand over our gold to just anyone. But if you show up, bring value, and follow our path, we've got a seat for you at the table. Who to partner with. So from this video, you know that the co-sponsor program at eXp is a true game changer in how agents support each other. And when you combine with a sponsor team like Smart Agent Alliance, you're not just supporting your agents, you're launching them with a competitive edge, which is excellent for you. Smart Agent Alliance helps your agents grow your revenue share with a branded and hosted agent attraction webpage, webinars to attract their potential agents, one-on-one meetings to answer questions from potential agents, a value-packed email attraction drip campaign to keep potential agents top of mind, and our high-converting agent website ranked in the top 3 for all of eXp sponsor teams, even though we started years later. This website explains the model and gets agents to join. By promoting primary sponsor Smart Agent Alliance, your agents are also a part of the Wolfpack, one of the most powerful eXp sponsor teams worldwide. I'm sure you know that Mike Sherrard, my sponsor, is the #1 attractor in all of eXp. So your agents that you co-sponsor will also get our 2 weekly team meeting trainings, and there's also a women's only mastermind training. They'll also get Social Agent Academy Pro, which is a $10,500 valued system that other agents have to pay $997 every single year to get. Our agents, of course, get that for free, and it includes a weekly coaching session. Your agents will also get courses on flipping, production, CRM, and agent attraction. Those are all accelerator courses. They'll also get access to our private school group and WhatsApp chats for referrals and insider tips. And there's even more value from Smart Agent Alliance. Your agents get 8 customizable landing pages with the email automation. They get hundreds of marketing templates, buyer-seller guides, business cards, and more. They're much prettier than the ones eXp has available, and we have more. And they get quick start strategy plans for agents and lead conversion. They get personal onboarding to launch fast, all-in-one agent portal for navigating eXp, the Wolfpack, and Smart Agent Alliance's resources. How to get started. Ready to grow your revenue sharing downline through co-sponsorship? Good. Here's how you get moving without fumbling the ball. Step 1, do your homework. Do online research and find primary sponsors, like us, that you actually want to align with. Look for eXp sponsor teams that clearly outline their value packages like we do on our team value page. If any value is vague, skip it. You're looking for proven systems, not fluff or promises. Step 2, raise your hand. Once you've found a sponsor team worth backing, reach out to them. Let them know you're interested in co-sponsoring agents with them and confirm exactly what they offer so that you're never over-promising on their behalf. Step 3, keep the relationship solid. Great sponsor partnerships are built on trust, communication, and consistency. Keep it professional and you'll build collaboration that grows your revenue share line. With eXp's new co-sponsor program, agents can finally tap into powerhouse sponsor teams without having to build one from scratch. which as a single agent is impossible. Whether you're looking to grow your downline, fix a past sponsor regret, or simply offer more support, this model changes everything for smart agents who want to scale faster. To learn more about being an agent and Sponsor Team's Smart Agent Alliance, here are more videos which should be showing up right now. And hey, please subscribe to encourage me to keep doing these videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.